Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make donuts. If you have not made donut before, please come, let's make it together. So here are the things we are going to use for these donuts. It's just few ingredients. We have flour, I've already sifted it. We have butter or margarine, anyone you have. Here is salt. Here is evaporated milk. You can use powdered milk also. Here is sugar. Here is egg. And this is the yeast. I've already proofed it just to be sure that it's active. So we are going to mix all these things together to achieve a tasty and delicious donut. So firstly, we're going to mix in the butter, going next is sugar. You can dump everything inside in no particular order, just mix everything together. So after that, you mix everything together. When you notice that the wet ingredients wasn't enough for the flour, just be adding your water little by little because it can get tricky here. When you have achieved a dough, transfer it to a work surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. When you see that your dough is stretchy and smooth, when you press it, it bounces back. That's when you know that your dough is good, and cover it for the next 1 hour. After 1 hour, bring it out again, fold it in small. Then here I divided the dough into two. I use hand to fold one part, as you can see me doing here. So I'm just trying to show you the two methods you can use to mold your donut dough. So this other half, I rolled it out and used cup. There is no donut cutter, so I use cup and spray bottle cover to cut the one I rolled out. So before now, I've already lined my tray with a parchment paper where I was keeping all of them. So I'm going to leave it there for another 30 minutes before I fry. So these are the ones I molded with hands. So I'm using the cover to make a hole. That's the last one, the one remaining. So after 30 minutes, it has doubled in size again. So we are going to start frying. I'm using canola oil, and you can use any other oil, vegetable oil you like. Why I like canola oil is a very tasteless, oil. Please fry in a very low heat. If not, your donut is going to get brown outside and inside will be very uncooked. So it's advisable to use a very low heat. So we are done frying. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.